Alright, today we're going to learn how to do a lobster roll. Alright, so the question of the day is, what is the origin of the lobster roll? Alright, let's get to the colors.
Quinn red, pearly red, cad yellow, harmer yellow, phthalo blue, quinn blue, phthalo green, Mars black, titanium white.
Alright, today we're going to paint a lobster roll. So the lobster roll comes from a restaurant in Connecticut called Perry's. So in 1929 they kind of came up with this invention, which is the hot dog roll split across the top, and you kind of toast on both ends, and then you stuff it with parts of the lobster, the claw, basically almost all the parts except for maybe the head. And so it's just a basic way to use kind of, if you made lobster and you kind of with scrap parts, you just throw it together and make a sandwich, right? So it's a way to use some of your lobster waste, so to say. That's not really waste, but I think you get my point. One of the better restaurants in New England for it is Captain Scott's, and I believe Casey Neistat went there in one of his videos. I'm not sure if he went to that restaurant, but it is one of the best in New England, so I would recommend that as the origin of the lobster roll. Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So I got kind of this green, lime green background with the baby blue. Kind of struggled a little bit with the green background. You know, if I wanted more yellow, did I want more green? Did I want to kind of mint? So I think I finally settled on the correct color. Got that nice juicy red lobster in between and the piece of toast. I think on the photo they had used lettuce with the lobster roll to kind of accent it, which I could have done, but you know, really, realistically, you don't have lettuce inside of a lobster roll, so I didn't feel that it was necessary. Also, I have like the green background, the blue background, so that makes the red pop. Not necessarily I need the red or the green. It would have added a lot of great contrast, but I just said, nah, I want to keep it as is. Not sure if I got the toast quite right. I got the colors right, but I don't know if it reads like toast per se. Although I think it looks pretty good. Good outline of the lobster roll. Probably just due to the multiple colors where I just kind of paint over that. Overall, I think it's pretty good. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see the full version, check my Patreon account. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting review. Thanks for watching, guys.